Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day and have a wonderful day with your family with lots of fun memories. So I'm up a little early today so I could get this done. I honestly should have done it last night, but I was just so tired and the kids were wandering around. So I'm going to do Sonny's basket on camera, and then I still need to go make one for my nephews and my niece. And Sonny is 20, but he's autistic, so he does like all the little like kids thing stuff. But even if he was, say like a normal adult, I would still be making him one anyways, because I got stuff for my brother and his girlfriend and my mom, and I even got stuff for myself. So I'm gonna make myself my own little bag basket. So yeah, it's just something that we do around here. Also, normally I would go to like C's Candies and get a box of chocolate for everybody, but I just didn't do that this year. I might go, maybe tomorrow and just do it afterwards. So, yeah, so let's get started. So I had shown his basket in a Walmart haul before. It was this pig basket. He was with me when we saw this, and he's like, "Mom, buy me that." And I'm like, "You already have two." And he's like, "Those are from my pins." So he needed another one for this year. It is different, and this one sings. So he wanted this one, so I got it for him. And then he loves these Treasure X toys, so I got him one of those, and then my nephews each got one of those as well. And let's see, these like smelly pens, he loves these. Whether they smell good or smell bad, he has to have them. So I got those. I found this, it had a pig on there, so I don't know what it is, but I figured let's get it. So I got that one. He loves Reese's. Skittles and M&M's are actually his favorite candy though, but I had to get this one because it was in a carrot shape. And there's some more of those little smelly pins. All the stuff came from Walmart. And there was those two, and then these. So I think I got all the set on those. So all of that is going to go into his basket. And then I'm going to stick it in a giant bag from Dollar Tree, because I'm going to need a lot of room, because like always, I went crazy. For every holiday, we go extreme. I don't know why I do, but I just always have since Sonny was born. The more the better. But then you guys see my shopping, like, it's ridiculous. I always think the more the better, and I'm really trying to get better and not to be like that anymore, and to save, especially with things opening back up. We want to get back to traveling, so I need to start learning to budget to include travel again. So this is just a bag from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to stick everything around the basket in there. At Walmart also, I found this little, what are these, like pillow marshmallow things? But it's Piglet. So of course he needs that one because it's a pig. So we're just going to kind of shove that in the bag. I'm hoping everything will fit, because I did not get an extra bag for him. Oh my gosh, that's already most of the bag. Let's see. I got these for my nephews that I'm going to fill. Those were Walmart also, but that's not for Sonny. Oh, I had got myself this guy. He is a little bunny Nomi homie guy. So I'm going to go put him out. And let's see. That was everything from Walmart. Let me get the next bag. Okay, no, this is more stuff from Walmart. So we got this little piggy right here. I think he makes noise. So we're going to stick him in there. Then this little guy came from Walmart also. I like his little arms and legs. They're really cute. So we're going to sit him in here. Oh my gosh, I don't think I have enough room. And there was this little guy. I thought he was so cute with his little like eye patch. Then he has another little gray patch down here. And then his little feetsies. I thought he was so cute. I think he's my favorite. Him or Piglet. So we're going to put him down in there. Okay, all the plush fit barely. And then, oh, Piglet's ear's dirty. I didn't notice that. Oh, I wonder if I could get some, like, shout pen and clean that out. I got some jelly beans. Just pop that, like, right in the middle there, standing up. And then I found these Peeps Pops. I think these might have been from Dollar Tree, though. So it was perfect. There was 4 in here, so then I could give one to each one of the kids. Oh man, but you can't see through them, so I'm hoping I don't give him a pink one, because he will not be happy with me. He's gonna tell me it's for girls, but there's one in there. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. Oh, there was this little pig palm pet. I have no idea what it does. It makes sounds. Oh, I should have tested that before I bought it. Perfect, it works. So we are going, I don't know, I guess we'll sit him on top there. Put him there. And then these came from the purple 99. So just pop that kind of into the basket there. So, these are just little bunnies. And I got this pack because it had blue. And then there was another pack that was purple and pink, I think. But I went with the blue one because my nephews, I have 2. And then, you know, Sonny. And then, you know, my niece. And then I'll give those to, like, their parents and stuff. So, got those. Then I got these little Kool-Aid popping stuff. So, I'm going to give him one. Let's see. He's very picky about flavors. He might like grape. I'm going to give him 2 because I have another pack. Because I want to make sure I have more than enough for everybody. And then, robin's eggs. He loves robin eggs at Easter time. So these were recessed. So I got him a set of those. And then I got a set from my mom. And then I got him the jumbo bag. Now, even though it's in his basket, he knows he always shares because it's too much. Even like with all the candy he gets, he always ends up sharing with me and my mom. Even though I make little bags for us. But I'm going to stick this in his. I kind of wanted to still be able to see the pigs through the bag, so I'm trying not to put anything in front of the pig faces, and I'm just going to kind of start plopping everything on top. They had lemon flavored Kit Kats. Now, I don't know if he's going to like these, so I'm just going to stick 2 in here for him, so he can at least try it. And then he's willing to try things, but you know, if he doesn't like it, then he'll definitely let me know. And then I don't, you know, force him to eat it. He can just go ahead and toss it. But I appreciate that he at least tries. Like, for the longest time, he didn't like shrimp or steak. And he just recently tried it again and discovered he does. So now every week he wants, like, shrimp and steak. And I'm like, boy, you are getting very expensive on me. So, yeah, we've been having a lot of shrimp and steak. At Dollar Tree, they had these little dinos, and you guys know I love dinosaurs, so of course I had to get these because I needed it for the kids' basket, just because I love it. So I'm going to get one of these dinos here, and I'm going to put, I got these gold eggs at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to put a couple gold eggs in there. Oh, I think I had got him a gold egg, and now that I think about it, I don't remember pulling it out of the closet. I need to go look for that. We'll give him a little dino. Let me put this away. Let's see. Here's some more of those Whoppers, but these were bunny tails. I got that. Oh, I forgot about this. We call this kid wine. So I know he's going to be happy about that. So I need to figure out where I'm going to put that in here. Maybe between these 2 pigs. You could stick that there. Put those there. Mike and Ike's are also another go-to for him. And then I got him Airheads. He's like okay with these, but I think there's only like 2 pieces in here, so that will be okay for him. And I like the little metal egg that it came in. These are a different Mike and Ike. They're different flavored, so I got him those. And like I said, M&M's are his favorite, so I had to make sure I got those. Oh, Starburst. So he loves Starburst just for the fact that we will fight over the pink and the red. So it's just that, you know, us like fighting over them, that he loves them and think it's so funny. Like he'll even purposely taunt me when he has a pink or red one. So I definitely had to get him some of those. And then my mom loves cow's tails, and then these were in strawberry. So I definitely wanted to get that so we can all try them. Oh, these are big. I thought there would be like little mini pieces. And then I have these really pretty eggs from Dollar Tree. So it worked out that there was 4. So I have one for each one of the kids. Let me get one of these out. So aren't these pretty? I think they're so pretty. So does this fit in there? It does. Perfect. So that fits in there. That's it, except for I know I got him a gold egg from the Purple 99 store, and I don't know where that went. It wasn't in the closet, so I'm gonna have to look for that, because in the gold eggs I always give the kids money. So if I can't find those right now, which I want to hurry up and get these done, I'm gonna stick money in these with one of the cow's tail. So other than that, that's it, you guys. That is Sonny's little Easter basket. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as I put this together. Like I said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.